Hello students, today we will discuss about user input in Python. Okay, so basically let me clearly discuss what is user input. So normally I'm writing a equal to 4, then I'm writing b equal to 5, then I'm writing c equal to a plus b, then I'm writing print answer is c, and I'm getting answer is 9. Okay, so here what happens, this is hard coded input. Hard coded input means input is given in program. Okay, input is given in program 4 5, so this program is adding 4 and 5, but I need to take what in case of user input देना चाहता है तो कैसे प्रोग्राम लिखा जाएगा. तो इसको हम ऐसे लिखेंगे, ए लिख देंगे, ए इक्वल टू हम लिखेंगे इंट इनपुट, उसके बाद लिखेंगे एंटर ए, और उसके बाद बी इक्वल टू इंट इनपुट, उसके बाद एंटर बी, उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे सी इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी, उसके बाद हम लिखेंगे प्रिंट आंसर इज सी. So now the moment I'm executing this, it is saying enter A. I'm giving enter A. I'm giving 12. Enter B. I'm giving 34, and the answer is 46. So basically, if what is the difference you can observe between these two? Here, here what happens? Here 4 and 5 is getting added, but here when you will execute this program, let me execute again. When you will execute this program, it will ask enter A, and any integer you can give input. And suppose I will not write this int. Okay, suppose हमने वो int नहीं लिखा है. So in this case what happens? In this case, uh, let's see. Let's let me open another workbook. Here I'm writing a equal to, I'm direct writing input enter A, then I'm writing b equal to input enter b, then I'm writing c equal to a plus b, then I'm writing print only c, no message. So in this case what happens, it is saying print enter a 23, enter b 45, but the answer is 2345. So what happens here, it is just adding 23 and 45. It is taking 23 45 and the giving answer 2345. And if I will declare this as an int, I will give a bracket, I will give another bracket over here, and here also I will declare as int. Okay, I will give another bracket, then I will run enter a 23, enter b 34. Now it is coming as 57. So here you can clearly see this is the format. Okay, let me, this is the format in Python 3.6. This input method is used, and previously raw input was used, but you can use input method because we are all using Python 3.6. 2.7 is an older version, so no one is using 2.7. Okay, so in this example you will see how to deal with strings. I'm writing username is input, enter your username. Then I'm writing print username is. So the moment I'm running, it is asking enter username. Writing Satya Ranjan. Then it is showing a message username is Satyaranjan. So whatever you will write, you are giving this input to the system, input to the Python, and Python is showing the exact thing what is taken as input from you. Okay, so now it's time to learn some more, which is nothing but math function. Math function means basically there are many math functions, but I will discuss only two three important functions which have to be used very rigorously. हमको डेटा साइंस और डेटा एनालिटिक प्रोजेक्ट करने में ये दो तीन मैथ फंक्शन जो बहुत ही यूज होगा उसको हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे। तो पहले तो हम मीन और मैक्स करेंगे, तो नाम से ही पता चल जा रहा है, इट विल रिटर्न द मिनिमम वैल्यू, इट विल रिटर्न द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू। लेट्स डू दिस। सो I've declared this x equal to minimum of 5, 10, 25, y equal to maximum of 5, 10, 25, एंड हम एक्स वाई दोनों को प्रिंट करना चाहते हैं। तो 525 प्रिंट हो गया, 5 सबसे छोटी है और सबसे बड़ी है 25। सो इन दिस वे द मीन एंड मैक्स फंक्शन वर्क्स। एंड देन another two function, absolute function means it will give in mathematics where we have studied, absolute means the positive, so modulus, so it will give the answer as, if I'll say print x, if I'll say print x, it will give 7.25, means whatever the number is there in negative, using abs function the answer will be returned the exact positive of that number. Okay, so now the last function, which is power function. That means if I write this x power 4 of 3, then the answer is 64. That means simply it is doing 4 to the power 3. That means left side is the base and right side number is the power. 4 का 4 to the power 3 will be 4, 4 the 16, 16 for the 64. So answer is coming in 64. So in this way we have discussed few math functions, and the important concept we have discussed right now is input function. And you need this input whenever you are supposed to give some input from your side. Whenever some a programmer is supposed to give some input from his side or her side to Python, at that time they have to use they have to use input functions. So using input function we also can do programming in later during implementing in project, during implementing the projects in data science we'll see elaborately how we are going to use these input functions. Okay, so I hope in this class I could be able to clear all these concepts regarding input function and math functions. And in the very next class, I will discuss about object-oriented programming, where I will discuss what is a class, what is an object, what is polymorphism, what is inheritance. Okay, so till then, keep practicing and learn Python, and do subscribe also. Thanks. Thank you for watching.